Oh, and welcome back to the final installment in the Quicktext tutorials. This is part 4, and it is called How to Manage Live Chat Using Quicktext. And for this last part, we have a bit of a change of scenery. We're now on a different website. We are on the website of the Hotel Baume in Paris. And obviously they're using Quicktext. As you can see here, this is the little icon of Zoe, and we will use that after. And this particular hotel has been using Quicktext with great success because what they're doing, they are contacting and keeping in touch with potential guests at all stage in their travel cycle. Meaning that when someone has a question about the destination, about where the hotel is located, even if they're not ready to book, well, Quicktext and Zoe in this instance is going to inform this potential guest about the surroundings, about the area where the hotel is in Paris. And when obviously that potential guest is ready to book, well, Zoe will also help him book by displaying him, as we have seen in different tutorials with inbound and outbound messages, displaying pictures of hotels. And the way that we are seeing hotels using artificial intelligence and live chat at the same time is that little by little we see that people do not have the needs to browse the website, but they go straight to the chat bot and they're asking all the questions and getting all the information. So this hotel is doing a great job at it. So thank you to them. Now, obviously, we know that statistics are showing that 80% of visitors to hotel site will not give you their information. So all these people perusing these pages are kind of lost for the hotel. Well, now that Quicktext is installed here, what we can see is when we click on Zoe, we see that if they want, obviously, to start a conversation with us, with the hotel, they have the choice between Facebook Messengers here, live chat, sorry, and Facebook Messenger here, right? This particular hotel is asking for an email and for a full name of the contact, of the person visiting the website. And then when you click that, you start the conversation. I'm going to give my email here. And my full name here. I'm going to start the conversation. So obviously you've seen that before. If you have watched the tutorials about inbound and outbound messaging, you know how this works behind the scenes. I'm not going to go back to the account. So now the next step, I'm going to close this. I don't want to have Zoe work for nothing here for me. And we are going to switch the screen to how we are going to implement a live chat window, the same that we have seen on the Hotel Baume website with Quicktext. Just log in to the account. And then now, you should know by now, you click on the little wheel up there, you click on the integration, and live chat is right here. So here you have all the tools, all the functionalities to integrate live chat how you want inside an hotel website. First of all, if you want it on the right-hand side or on the left-hand side, then you're going to choose the color, because obviously you want this to be nicely displayed on the website and not clash with it. Very important. You want to select if open the live chat after never, meaning that the live chat is hidden. Well, probably you don't want to do that. After 5 seconds, or you have the choice to add more or less. This particular hotel here wanted 5 seconds. Or you have also the choice to select how many pages you want the visitor to visit before you trigger the live chat window. Interesting also is that you have the options to display the live chat bubble, the little Zoe icon on mobile, on desktop, or both, which is the case here. And then remember on the hotel website, they were asking for your name and your email, right? But you have a third option, is you can ask for the phone number as well. And it really depends on what type of clientele the hotel has. If the hotel has probably younger clientele, the phone can be asked. If it's more of a traditional clientele, probably only name and email will do. Here you have the command that says when hotel is offline, what do I do? Well, then you instruct the live chat to say, leave a message, obviously, so it's like kind of like an email, or you have to remove the live chat altogether from the website. Step 7 and 8, it's a little more technical, but don't worry, keep with me. Here you will add all the URL or the domain, internet domain name, to this list. Okay, you can add more than one. And these are for hotels where there's a different subdomain. So for instance, you have, www.hotelbudapest.com, and then there's a spa in this hotel, and the spa has a different website, like spa.hotelbudapest.com. So you will add all these URLs in here. So you're covered. And then once you have configured all this information, well, guess what? This is the script, okay? And then you will have to copy and paste it or email it to your developer, so that person will add it to the code on your site. A neat feature is that because Quicktext is used all over Europe for now, and even the world, look at China here, these are language specific. So right now, obviously, if this is France, you have a little FR here. If I switch to England, you have EN as well. And Germany, you have DE and so forth and so on. What it means is that once the live chat will pop up or will trigger, if you like, the message will be in the language indicated. Right, so you have a lot of languages, even Czech Republic. We have hotels in the Czech Republic here, and so in a nutshell, it's really easy to integrate Quicktext live chat on your website, and it should be probably the first thing that you're doing, to get used to the tool and to the flexibility of the tool as well. So this tutorial was the last part of on how to use Quicktext. But remember, if you have any question, please feel free to contact us. It will be a pleasure to assist you, and it was a pleasure anyway for me to guide you through these tutorials. And I wish you the best, and bye now.